mangangalay ako nito. Kailangan ko ng appreciation, Edna. I'll go.
For distinguished guest speaker, members of the board, the school administration, our dedicated faculty and staff, beloved parents, cherished guests, and of course, my fellow graduates and alumni. A pleasant and joyful evening to all of you. Tonight, I stand before you not as a graduate, but as a faithful soul who has grown and blossomed through the years. This moment is not only a celebration of academic milestones, but also a recognition of the journey that brought us here. One filled with struggles, sacrifices, growth, and victories, big and small. But before we express gratitude to others, let us take a moment to thank ourselves. Yes, you heard that right. Let's pause, breathe, and quietly whisper to our hearts. Good job, self. We made it through long nights of studying, waves of self-doubt, unexpected detours, and sometimes even tears. We did not give up, and for that, we should be proud. But no journey is walk alone. To our parents and guardians, our first teachers, our strongest pillars, thank you. You taught us not just how to walk or speak, but how to stand tall in the face of adversity. How to dream boldly and how to rise with grace after every fall. Life didn't hand you an easy street, yet you just love, patience, and sacrifice every single time. This achievement is yours as much as it is ours. To Mama and Papa. Hello, it's me, your Neneng Virgin.
Iyak yan. Iyak yan.
Just a little, but hopefully I grow wiser too. I still remember when I was a kid. I absolutely hated studying. Every time my mom gave me a book to read, I'd cry, not because the story was sad, but because she was holding me back. Looking back now, I realize that it's the way of pushing me to do better even if it involves a bit of the pressure. So thank you, Ma and Pa, for not giving up on me. Even when I was super pasaway. That's why I'm here today, because of your love, sacrifices, and unwavering patience through all these years of my life. I hope I made you proud. To my Kuya Wilmar, Kuya Winsor, and Ate Carol, thank you for being my uncles, my protectors, and my greatest cheerleaders. I love you all so much. To my dearest friends, from elementary to senior high, you painted my journey with color, laughter, and meaning. Luisa, Allen, Eliza, Princess,
O yun.
Amy, Ellen, Marge, Aya, Bea, Lita, Amesa, Simon, Kaya, Nicole, Tim, James, Joel, Hilton, Karen, and to my classmates. Thank you for the memories, the support, the inside jokes, and the shared silence and words were not needed.